In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Google account using the Account Recovery Troubleshooter. This guide is perfect if you ever find yourself locked out of your account and need a quick, reliable way to get back in. The whole process usually takes just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the official Google Account Recovery page. This is the place to go whenever you're having trouble signing into your account. Once you're on the page, enter the email address linked to the account you're trying to recover. Double check that you type it correctly. This step is crucial for the recovery process. Then click Next. At this point, Google will guide you through a series of prompts to verify your identity. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. You'll see a Try Another Way option. This allows you to skip the password and use another verification method instead. Depending on your setup, you might see several recovery options. One of the most common is phone verification. If you choose this route, enter the phone number associated with your account. Make sure it's correct, then click Send. Google will text you a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the box provided. Doing this successfully moves you one step closer to regaining access. If you can't use your phone, no problem. You can select Try Another Way again. Sometimes Google may ask you recovery questions or offer other verification methods. These extra steps are designed to protect your account, so take your time and answer as accurately as possible. Once you've verified your identity through one of the available methods, Google will prompt you to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. This helps keep your account secure and prevents unauthorized access in the future. Finally, make sure to store your new password safely, whether that's in a password manager or written down in a secure place. And that's it. You've just learned how to recover your Google account using the Troubleshooter. It's a simple, straightforward process that can save you a lot of stress if you ever get locked out. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment below if you'd like me to cover other Google tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Google account recovery!